here we have RFID Shield, which is compatible with RDPi, RD32, even Arduino Uno. So let's see what it includes. So on the top side, we have RFID module, then relay and buzzer for audio alert you can add to your project, then screw terminal, which is having NO, common and NC breakout. In the next section, we'll see how to interface this board with other microcontrollers. So now we are on SB component site where there is Ardi RFID Shield page is open. So for getting started guide, just visit downside of this page and you will see two links, software GitHub and hardware GitHub for all the design files available. Software GitHub already open. So let's see what it includes. Now this RFID Shield interfacing with Arduino Uno pinout is given. So when you put this RFID Shield on Arduino Uno, it will consume this particular pin of Arduino Uno. And similarly, when you interface this RFID Shield with RD32 and RDPi, you can see which GPIO pin gets consumed. And a very important thing to note here, so when you are using this shield with Arduino Uno, so as we have used serial RX, you can see D0, which is serial RX of Arduino Uno. So transmit pin of RFID is connected with that. So while programming, you just have to remove this RFID shield. So once you upload your code, after that you can interface this shield. Otherwise it will interfere with the programming. So it will not allow to upload the code. Okay, so that's it. So for the demo, we'll see how to interface with RD32. I have already downloaded this GitHub. So let's get inside that example file. So let me open this RD32, and to see how to configure this RD32, like how to download and then add ESP32 board, you can check out the detailed guide of RD32 on the software GitHub of this RD32. You will find detailed instruction how you can configure and set up your environment for programming RD32. Okay, so you can follow this step. I have already done that. So now my RFID code is open for RD32. Let's do the interfacing. So just connect and connect cable. So here you just have to make sure you have selected right board, ESP32S3. Okay, and COM port is selected. So for RD32 there is no problem. You can even have this shield on board and you can program. Click on upload button, because it is using separate pin, so it will not create problem while uploading. Wait for a second. So after compiling, it's start uploading, as you can see. So now uploading done, and just open serial terminal. So now place any card, as you can see, and if you again place the card, it will. So what program does, once it scans the card, it will switch on or trigger the relay, and again if scan, then it will trigger relay. So we can also see how it works with Arduino Uno and RDPi. So now RFID Shield is interfaced with Arduino Uno and code is already uploaded, and so you can see the working. Just open serial terminal and make sure that baud rate for this we have set 9600. So change this. In case of ESP we have used 115200, but in this case 9600. Just scan your card, you can see. Okay, so that's it. So let's see working with RDPi. Just interface. Okay, so I have opened this code. Just click on run button. So now you see, as board is not selected, so make sure you select board properly. So now board is ready. So how to make sure that you can see folder, click on run. Now your code is executing, just have to scan the card. So that's it. So similarly you can tweak the code and as per your application. So thank you.